Hi guys! I hope you have enjoyed the video about Ivana Kupala. Thank you very much for your activity. This video will be small, it's more like an announcement. Probably in the posts in community or in my Instagram you could see that we have 2 new team members in VERBA school, 2 teachers of the Ukrainian language. And we want to invite you to join our online lessons of Ukrainian. We offer you to try a free trial lesson, 30 minutes with one of our 2 teachers, and decide if you want to continue learning Ukrainian in VERBA school. So if you don't mind, let me tell you a couple words about our new teachers. This is Maria. She is Ukrainian, but she lives in Lithuania, where she taught Ukrainian and Russian languages to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs employees. She has university degree in linguistics, and her lessons are really fun and full of positive energy. To understand Maria better, you need to know that her master's paper is devoted to comics. So you will never get bored on her lessons. Maria teaches students with intermediate or more advanced level of Ukrainian, where the full lesson is only in Ukrainian, without English. Or beginners who knows Lithuanian language or Russian language, when it's enough to teach you Ukrainian. The lessons with Maria are available on working days at 7 and 8 p.m. Kyiv time, or on Saturdays. So if you're interested, book a trial lesson with Maria. Another new teacher in VERBA school is Olga. She's receiving her master's degree in Ukrainian linguistics in Kyiv, but currently, because of the war, she is in Spain. Also, we found out that we are from the same city, Irpin, and actually we literally lived in the neighboring houses and still met each other online, and now Olga became a member of VERBA team. Olga is a young, dedicated teacher. She adores everything about Ukrainian language and culture. And she has a good level of English, which will be a huge help for beginner students who want to learn the Ukrainian language. Her timetable is more flexible, so it will be not a problem to organize a trial lesson and further lessons. So Maria and Olga are waiting for you on the trial lesson. To schedule it, you just need to go via the link in description of this video and to fill the form on our website for the trial lessons. And we will contact you via email ASAP and arrange the best time for the trial lesson. On the same page of the website you will also find our prices bundles and the rules of the lessons. So if you are ready to learn Ukrainian with a professional teacher in VERBA school, we will be very glad to see you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me here in comments or via email, and I will gladly answer your questions. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please give it a thumb up to promote it a bit, and I will see you on our next lesson. Бувайте!